Hey guys, TikTok Lite Japan, why your login keeps failing. So here, the anatomy of block login, 3 hidden triggers, Cosmos login failures, network restriction, public Wi-Fi, VPNs, and IPv6 compatibility issues silently block authentication requests, anti-fraud filters multiple accounts sharing one IP or device trigger automatic system locks, and the silent killer battery or data saver modes blocks background process needed for authentication. Immediate fixes: resetting your connection, the 4G to 5G shift, task skill for stop the app or restart your device to clear corrupted cache. System sync: set the device time to automatic, incorrect time breaks authentication handshakes. Beyond the basic professional workarounds, so device isolation: use dedicated device to avoid MAC address flagging from shared hardware. Proxy hygiene and auth resilience. If signed in with Google Hands, force the link, open Safari or Chrome to complete the handshake. So the future, the passkey revolution, 97% login success rate. TikTok passkey shifts has dramatically improved authentication reliability and 17 times faster login speed. Passkey authentication significantly faster than traditional password flows. 100 users on Passkey for millions of users. The unknown error is already a thing of the past. Final takeaway: stop fighting passwords. Enable biometric integration to secure your account and end the login failure cycle. So there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, concerns, tab below. Guys, upload as soon as possible. And thank you guys.